Canva has just dropped some incredible updates that will take your design game to the next level. Want to create faster, smarter, and better? Stick around as I share my top 5 favorite new features, and trust me, you don't want to miss my absolute favorite at the end. First up, Magic Write has leveled up. It now offers even more options to generate text based on your prompts. Need a catchy caption for YouTube Shorts, like my top 5 favorite Canva updates? Magic Write has you covered. Plus, you can now generate alternative versions and refine your results effortlessly. Next, the Artlist Collection is here. It's a treasure trove of cinematic videos, perfect for adding professional quality content to your designs. Simply search by keywords like mountain and instantly access stunning stock videos. Now, let's talk animations. Canva's new photo animations let you add fun effects like ink or spray paint, making your presentations truly pop. The fourth feature, interactive charts. Present your data dynamically with hover effects that highlight and showcase information in a sleek, engaging way. And finally, my favorite, DreamLab, Canva's new text-to-image AI tool powered by Leonardo AI. Here's how it works. Type a detailed prompt like a cute tiger cub wearing a hat and sunglasses, running joyfully through a vibrant garden filled with colorful flowers under a serene sky. DreamLab generates 4 stunning variations based on your prompt. You can experiment with styles like cinematic, sketch, or pop art, adjust the aspect ratio, and even use tools like ChatGPT to refine your prompts. Once you've found your perfect image, download it or add it directly to your Canva project for further edits. Free users get 20 prompts to try, while Canva Pro offers up to 500 prompts. So, which Canva feature is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tutorials.